Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. I hope you're all doing well. So if you've seen my build of my PC, it has got a lot of RGB lighting in it and it's programmable, whatever color you want. The cabinet has got a lot of LED lighting, and if you're not seen it, the link is in the description below. Do see it. Accordingly, I took a monitor also which has a sort of LED light to the bottom of it, and a mouse also which has nice color. So I was thinking of buying a keyboard. I never had a mechanical keyboard before and I wanted a keyboard with full RGB LED lighting in it. After researching a little bit, I found this Logitech G512 Carbon. It's a nice keyboard. There are two different variations in this. I got the tactile one, and these are special keys. These are made by Logitech, and they come out. All of them come out, and each one, if you see, there is a LED inside, RGB light inside, and it's centered. So whatever key is there on top will be properly lit up, and you can program the keys to whatever you want. Each and every key can be programmed separately, and whichever color you want for any key, or you can keep them blank. You can even set the brightness, profiles of brightness, and different colors. For example, I keep very dim during the day, and the same thing I continue at night, so I can just barely see the keys, but they are there. It's not that it's completely blank, but I don't keep it bright. If it is bright, then it will disturb me while I'm gaming or I'm doing something on the PC. Again, this build quality of this keyboard is fantastic. It has got this top aluminum plate and it's very sturdy, and the keys also very nice. They have a very nice movement to them and nice feel to them. The sound is not too loud like the blue keys, but these are adequate enough to feel like and sound like a mechanical keyboard. And the response of the keys is fantastic. Hardly you press any key and it responds. Very nice. The keyboard itself is quite heavy. It is like the weight of 2 laptops. I mean it, it's that heavy, and so it's not going to move from your table at all. If you see the bottom of the keyboard, it has got nice rubber pads, so it doesn't move at all with the weight. And these legs are nice. If you see, each leg has at the bottom there is a rubber mount, so as you see, it's not going to move at all. If you see this groove at the bottom and this U kind of a cut where you can actually put a wire. For example, you can put the mouse through this loop, or you can put, like me, I put my headphone wire coming through that so that it doesn't come over the keyboard and it doesn't disturb me while I'm gaming. So that is the best part. So it is helping you organize your desk also in a sort of a way. Yeah, sometimes you see that there is a double press of some letters. It happens with all mechanical keyboards. You have to just remove the key and press it to the position as if it is pressed, and then blow it with something, and then you can put the cap back and it works fantastic again. So you have to remember that if it is happening with your keyboard, don't do it with a membrane keyboard. This is for the mechanical keyboards only. Other than that, this is a fantastic keyboard. You should have it, and very robust. But if you're going to carry this with you to some other place where you're going to game or something, this is going to be quite a heavy keyboard to carry. So this is good for your workstation at your place, at your home, or at your work, and it is a good keyboard. I will recommend this keyboard for anyone who is gaming, and it is a gamer's keyboard. Very simple. It looks very simple, but it is fantastically built. So if you see on the side of this keyboard, you'll see a female type A USB port. So you can put anything over there, like a pen drive or a dongle, or you can attach your phone or anything you want to use with a USB over there. That is very handy. And then there is a threads over here. This threading is, I think you can mount this keyboard so you can keep it floating, but I don't advise you to do that. I think Logitech must be making or thinking of some accessories for this keyboard, which will come later. I think most probably fit into that threading over there. So guys, if you like this video, hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to this channel, and as always guys, enjoy and have a nice day.